In the ever-evolving world of technology, Apple has consistently set the bar high with its MacBook Pro line. The introduction of the M5 chip marks a significant leap forward, promising to redefine what professionals and creatives can expect from a laptop. Let's delve into the features, performance, and innovations that make the M5 MacBook Pro a standout device. Unveiling the M5 chip, power meets efficiency. At the heart of the M5 MacBook Pro lies the groundbreaking M5 chip, Apple's latest system on a chip, SoC. Built on a 3nm architecture, the M5 chip delivers a remarkable balance between power and efficiency. With advancements in AI processing, graphics capabilities, and energy management, the M5 chip ensures that the MacBook Pro can handle even the most demanding tasks with ease. Design and display. Sleek, stylish, and stunning. While the M5 MacBook Pro retains the iconic design elements of its predecessors, it introduces subtle refinements that enhance both aesthetics and functionality. The OLED display offers deeper blacks, vibrant colors, and improved contrast ratios, making it ideal for tasks that require color accuracy, such as photo and video editing. The slim profile and lightweight build ensure portability without compromising on performance. Performance. Speed that speaks volumes. Benchmark tests have shown that the M5 MacBook Pro outperforms its predecessors by a significant margin. With Geekbench scores surpassing 3,900, the M5 chip delivers up to a 25% increase in performance over the M4, making it one of the fastest laptops available. Whether you're compiling code, rendering 3D models, or editing high-resolution videos, the M5 MacBook Pro handles it all effortlessly. Graphics and gaming. A new era for Mac. The enhanced GPU in the M5 MacBook Pro brings a new level of graphics performance to the Mac platform. With support for 4K and 8K displays, as well as improved ray tracing capabilities, the M5 MacBook Pro is now a viable option for gamers and graphics professionals. Titles like Resident Evil Village and Baldur's Gate 3 run smoothly, offering an immersive gaming experience without the need for a dedicated gaming laptop. Battery life. Power that lasts. Despite its powerful performance, the M5 MacBook Pro doesn't compromise on battery life. Thanks to the energy-efficient design of the M5 chip and advancements in battery technology, users can expect up to 22 hours of usage on a single charge. This extended battery life makes the M5 MacBook Pro an excellent choice for professionals who need a reliable device for long workdays. Thermal management. Staying cool under pressure. One of the standout features of the M5 MacBook Pro is its advanced thermal management system. Incorporating graphene cooling pads and a redesigned fan system, the M5 MacBook Pro maintains optimal performance even under heavy workloads. This innovative cooling solution ensures that the laptop remains cool and quiet, providing a comfortable user experience. Audio and microphone. Crystal clear sound. The M5 MacBook Pro is equipped with a 6-speaker sound system that delivers rich bass and clear highs, creating an immersive audio experience. Whether you're listening to music, watching movies, or participating in virtual meetings, the sound quality is exceptional. The studio-quality microphones ensure that your voice is captured clearly, even in noisy environments. Connectivity. Seamless integration with the Apple ecosystem. Apple's commitment to ecosystem integration is evident in the M5 MacBook Pro. Features like AirDrop, Universal Control, and Sidecar make it easy to work across multiple Apple devices. Whether you're transferring files from your iPhone, using your iPad as a secondary display, or unlocking your MacBook with your Apple Watch, the M5 MacBook Pro ensures a seamless and efficient workflow. Security. Protecting your data. Security is a top priority with the M5 MacBook Pro. The inclusion of a secure enclave ensures that your biometric data remains protected. File Vault encryption keeps your files secure, and the system is designed to resist malware and unauthorized access. With Touch ID, you can quickly and securely unlock your MacBook Pro and make purchases with Apple Pay. Keyboard and trackpad. Designed for comfort and precision. The M5 MacBook Pro features a redesigned keyboard with improved key travel and a quieter typing experience. The backlit keys adjust automatically to your environment, providing optimal visibility. The large trackpad supports a range of gestures, allowing for precise control and navigation. Build quality. Durability meets elegance. Crafted from 100% recycled aluminum, the M5 MacBook Pro combines sustainability with durability. The unibody construction ensures a sturdy build, while the sleek finish resists fingerprints, maintaining its pristine appearance. The hinges are firm, providing a satisfying opening and closing experience. Environmental impact. A step towards sustainability. Apple continues its commitment to the environment with the M5 MacBook Pro. The use of recycled materials and energy-efficient components reduces the carbon footprint of the device. By choosing the M5 MacBook Pro, you're not only investing in a high-performance laptop, but also contributing to a more sustainable future. Pricing and value. Investing in quality. The M5 MacBook Pro comes at a premium price point, but the value it offers justifies the cost. With enhanced performance, extended battery life, and a suite of features designed for professionals, the M5 MacBook Pro is an investment that pays off in productivity and longevity. Upgrading to the M5 MacBook Pro, is it worth it? If you're using a MacBook Pro with an Intel processor or an older M1 or M2 model, upgrading to the M5 MacBook Pro will provide a significant boost in performance and efficiency. For users with an M3 or M4 MacBook Pro, the decision to upgrade depends on your specific needs. If you require the latest features and top-tier performance, the M5 MacBook Pro is a compelling choice. Final thoughts. The ultimate laptop for professionals. The M5 MacBook Pro sets a new standard for laptops, combining power, efficiency, and elegance in a way that only Apple can. Whether you're a developer, designer, content creator, or business professional, the M5 MacBook Pro offers the tools you need to succeed. With its advanced features and exceptional performance, the M5 MacBook Pro is more than just a laptop. It's a game changer.